If you give me 10 minutes of your time, we will show you how you can earn over $2,400 in your first 3 months of your business just for opening a credit card and spending your normal amount on your business. How cool is that? Let's go. Hey guys, Alan Chen, CPA here. Welcome to our free cash flow channel. In this video, we're going to go over how powerful it is to apply and use a business credit card for your eCom business. We're going to touch base on how both a US seller can get it done and also how an international seller who have established an LLC and business bank account in the US can get it done and get a business credit card. After you're able to establish a business LLC and business bank account for your online business, you should definitely start to apply for any business credit card available on the market. We're going to show you some of our favorite business credit cards for eCom owners, and we're going to break down the incredible sign-up bonus these cards offer, and more importantly, the special categories these cards reward you for that directly benefits eCom and online business owners out there. So let's get right down to it. But first, I want to talk about the power of credit card and what it represents. For many of you watching out there who are US sellers, you have been privileged as all your life you grew up with this incredible US credit card point systems that rewards you simply for buying things you normally would, right? Such as, groceries, flights, hotels. For foreign sellers watching, you'll be amazed because from my understanding, a majority of European countries and Middle Eastern countries don't have the best credit card system in place. And even if they do, they're not nearly as rewarding as far as the credit card point system as their US counterparts. So to get be able to have a US credit card, it seems to be very special and extremely rewarding as the points for business spending, unlike personal, can add up so quickly. So it's definitely something that you really want to take advantage of given how much you guys spend on your business every month. Ultimately, what happens is you get all this credit card points and you get to redeem them for, free business or first class flights, 4 to 5 star hotels, and all sorts of experiences like concerts. And it also sometimes can just be a statement credit for your bills, right? So it can just reduce the amount that you owe every month on your businesses. So some of the other benefits included for having a business credit card, it lets you establish credit, right? As you steadily start making good payments on your credit card, you get to build credit. You also get to build points. You also get to create a loan facility opportunity because you get a 30-day gap to make all your payments, which is better cash flow for your eCom business. And it rewards you for spending money that are the biggest categories in your business anyway. Things you're going to do anyway, right? You might as well get rewarded for it. So you should really aim for cards that specifically fit your business model. So let's go into the top 3 cards I recommend for you guys. Our number 1 recommendation is the Business Platinum Card for American Express. The Business Platinum Card is best suited for small business owners who charge thousands of dollars a month in business expenses to the regular card and are regular travelers during normal time, of course, when COVID starts ending, and can take advantage of all the card's premium features, right? The membership rewards points are worth 2 cents a piece, so 2 cents per 1 point. So if you manage the hefty 15,000 spend requirement to earn the incredible 125,000 point award sign-up bonus, that's worth $2,500 right there just for signing up the card and spending $15,000 the first 3 months. As for benefit goes, it's some of the best in the industry. This card gives you gold status for Hilton hotels, gold elite status with Marriott Bonvoy, which provides better earning and benefits during stays with those 2 brands. You can also get elite type perks at other hotels due to Amex Fine Hotel and Resorts program that's built in. What else? 5 times points, 5 times for flights and hotels. $200 airline fee credit. So you just get $200 back just for flying this year. And the eCom bonus I want to talk about, 5 times points on shipping, wireless cell phones, office supplies, gas, and of course the most important category, paid advertising expense. You get 5 times points for Facebook and Google ads. So is the Amex Business Platinum a good fit for your business? It is one of the most valuable and best welcome offers on the market right now, meaning the sign-up bonus. As long as you meet that $15,000 spending requirement, which is about $5,000 a month, you should seriously consider the card. But if you do not meet that requirement, right? If you can't meet it, then it might not be worth as much for you if you're just starting out and don't have $5,000 of business expense every month. But for guys who are making six figures, $5,000 is easy just on paid advertising. Although qualifying for this card may be easier than you think, you do need to seem like an established business. For starters, as smaller or newer companies, they may do more of a credit check on you to make sure that you're gonna make your payment before they will let you have this incredible card. It is an amazing card, and you add in all the bonuses that you can earn, all the little perks, all the travels, all the business lounges. You get what they call the Centurion Lounge service, right? Which is all these high-class airport business lounges that you get access to just for having this card. Now, with all that said and all the incredible benefits built in, it does come with a hefty annual fee, $595. So that's something for you to think about, but the benefits definitely outweigh the annual fee if you're able to utilize it. The next one on the list is a personal favorite of mine, and the card that I actually have in my wallet for my Shopify days. It is the Chase Inc. Business Preferred credit card. It also comes with a very impressive sign-up bonus, or the Inc. Preferred Business Card. You'll get 100,000 Chase Ultimate Reward points after you spend $15,000 in the first 3 months. That seems to be the magical number. Ultimate Reward points are among the most valuable point currencies anywhere around in the credit card point spectrum. And the bonus is worth $2,000, 2000. So useful bonus categories for small business not only are some of the best, I would say, out there right now, and using the Inc. Business Preferred card also allows you to accumulate them quickly because they give you 3x multiple on a lot of those spendings, right? And those 3x multiples are across shipping, cell phones, travel, and most importantly, paid advertising. So just like the Amex card, you get 3 times points per dollar you spend on paid advertising. Meaning that if you spend $5,000 on your Facebook ad, that's $15,000 points right there. So you take that over a year, that's gonna be over what? Like 180,000 points just from paid advertising. And that's only if you spend $5,000 a month. A lot of people spend a lot more. So if you maximize your bonus earning capabilities, that's possibly 450,000 Chase Ultimate Point awards each year, which is insane. So it has amazing redemption potential. So this is another area where the Inc. Business Preferred card really shines. Chase Ultimate Reward Points transfers to 10 airline partners, which means you can make your Chase Ultimate Points and directly transfer to these guys. And that's some of them are like British Airways, Emirates, Flying Blue, which includes Air France, KLM, JetBlue, TrueBlue, Singapore Airlines, Southwest Rapid Reward Points, United, Mileage Plus, Virginia Atlantic Flying Clubs. So a lot of options there. It also provides you with cell phone, travel, and purchase protection. So like think about how many times have you dropped, damaged, or need to replace your cell phone, right? The Inc. Business Preferred is one of the few credit cards to offer cell phone protections to help you in this very situation. You and your employees listed on your phone bills are covered for up to $600 in death or damage per claim, provided a number is listed on your monthly bill and you pay your bill with this card. So that's a great benefit of why you should put your phone bill on your business credit card. There's a limit of 3 claims per 12-month period with a $100 deductible per claim. So like I mentioned before, that sign-up bonus is something you don't want to miss out on. 100,000 Chase points after you spend $15,000 in the first 3 months, worth $2,000. I'm going to provide a link below. We'll earn a little referral fee for it, but you get great benefits for using this card. You can use it or not, up to you. Another great thing is trip interruption and cancellation insurance and trip delay insurance. And also, you get primary rental card collision insurance. So that you can go get a rental card, use this business credit card, and if you do get into an accident, you're covered. The annual fee is a lot easier to swallow on this card. It's only $95, which why we chose this card over the Amex, because of the lower annual fee requirement. So I think it's a no-brainer to get this card. This is actually my most recommended card because I personally have this card for you guys out there. And it's a great way to get started. It's a great way to get it if you do have a banking relationship with Chase, which we do, right? It was very easy for us to apply because they already saw that we have a banking relationship with them. We have money in the bank account, so they can see that, most likely we're gonna make our credit card payments. So getting these cards is just a great way to, fund an annual vacation that you otherwise have to pay cash for. You fund for a lot of business travel that you're gonna do anyway. It's just a very generous way for you to do all that. So I definitely recommend that if you can afford it, you should get yourself one of these business credit cards for your business. And now we go to the last card on our list, which is also an Amex card, is the American Express Business Gold Card. The American Express Business Gold Card is I'll say a tier lower than the Platinum card that we introduced as our first card that we should recommend it for you guys. The sign-up bonus is a little bit less. It's about 70,000 membership points after you spend $10,000 in the first 3 months. So it's a little bit lesser of a spending requirement, which makes it a little bit easier to get if you want to get into the Amex system, right? The 70,000 membership point though is still worth about $1,800 to $2,000, so it's not shabby at all. How this card works, the American Express Business Gold Card, is you get 4 times points, 4 times. You get under 2 business categories that you spent the most on. So you get to pick from this list of what you think your business spent the most money on, and that's how you get the 4 times points. So those categories are travel, paid advertising, software, so any apps that you use, gas, restaurant, and shipping. So out of those 6 categories, you can pick 2 that you spend the most money on, and you get 4 times point. Well, I would definitely recommend, of course, you guys pick what was one of the 2 is paid advertising, right? As eCom owners, you guys are gonna have tons of Facebook and Google ads going in. So that's 4 times points right there, which is absolutely incredible to get, right? And another great benefit of this card is that's instant connection to a lot of financial apps. So if you guys use QuickBooks or Xero, this card can actually integrate directly with those apps, and it will just plug right in all the categories right there. Another great benefit of this card is you can add up to 99 employee cards for a flat annual fee of $50. Not per card, just $50 in total. Meaning that if you do have a number of employees out there working for you, you can issue like multiple copy of this card and give them a copy, set a spending limit for them, and then they can go and spend it on themselves while asking you for the MasterCard, which is a great benefit. It has secondary car rental loss and damage insurance, baggage insurance, and extended warranty coverage. Secondary, not as good as primary, because secondary means they'll go after your primary insurance first, and then if that hits the cap, then they'll start covering at that point. The annual fee for this is a little bit lower than Platinum card. It's $295, or as you remember, $595 that card. So it's a little bit easier card to get started in while still being part of the great Amex system, right? And you do get a lot of benefits for being part of the Amex system. One of them is, of course, you get access to a lot of their curated restaurants and travel recommendations and a lot of trip experiences that only Amex owners can have. So that's why it is still a great card for eCom owners, especially since you can get 4 times point on the categories that you spent the most, and it's your choice on which of those 2 categories you want it to be. For our foreign sellers, the first card you guys might get might not be one of these amazing ones because they'll require some credit history from you before believing that you'll be the type that makes payment on time. So for you guys out there, I would recommend that you apply to any card available to you out there. Use your banking relationship. For example, if you're banking with Bank of America, I would start with them as you already have a bank account with them. So it's very likely, and more so than other cards, they'll approve your business credit card as well, since they know that you have a good amount of cash in your banking system and you have a lot of inflow of cash from customers paying. So they're more likely to trust you more and issue you a business credit card. And after you start making regular payments there, and eventually after a year, you'll build up enough credit in the system to open up any card you want. And this is when you should target one of the big 3 cards above that we really recommend for your business. Hopefully this video has given you some clarity and some definitive benefit of having your own business credit card to run your business and your eCom and online business in. Just think about how much ad spend you spend in your business and just multiply it by a point factor above, which can be 3 times or 4 times, and you'll start to realize how much points you're really losing right now that you could be accumulating at this point, right? If you're spending $10,000 to $15,000 in paid ads, an absolute no-brainer, you should go right now and get one of these cards. If you'd like to learn more about in-depth topics like this, check out a link in the bio for our online course titled Tax-Free eCom, Hyperdrive Your After-Tax Profit. To learn how you can save tens of thousands of dollars on your taxes each year and business strategies that will open your eyes on all the advantages you should be using that billion-dollar companies utilize to grow their business. Credit cards is definitely a business strategy that you need to incorporate into your business. Cool. Awesome. Well, that's it for now. I hope you guys learned a great deal from this video. We would love to make more content just like this, and especially things that you find helpful to help you accelerate your online business. If you enjoyed this video, I would appreciate it if you give it a like and a subscribe so you don't miss out on any tax, business strategy advice that'll help your online business save even more money in the future. And of course, it will motivate me to provide more value-packed business and tax videos for you guys out there. So thank you so much. And if you can take advantage of it, go get yourself a business credit card. Have a great day ahead.